How to appear offline on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to appear offline on WhatsApp. It's quick, simple, and totally worth it if you want some extra privacy. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, simply tap on privacy. And now here, once you are under the privacy, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as last seen and online. And here you need to change two settings. So here under who can see my last seen, change it from everyone to nobody. And after that, under who can see when I'm online option, change from everyone to same as last seen. And here, once you're done with that, simply go back and here simply tap on status. And there you can see the option is enabled on my contacts. So here simply change it to my contact accept, and here don't include anyone. And with that, you can simply go back to the main settings menu, and here you can see the option labeled as read receipts. So make sure to disable this option too. And once you're done with that, you're officially invisible on WhatsApp. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.